catch me on CNN. We almost went to South Beach and missed our opportunities of being famous. Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Hello.
Hi, Katie.
You guys are?
Thank you.
My pleasure. You guys stay safe, okay?
You too.
Tell Ian I said hello.
I'm sorry?
Ian, tell Ian I said hello.
Okay. Okay. I want to taste it too. What is it called? The caramel frosted
coffee? I don't know.
Frosted caramel coffee. What's it taste like?
One of those. Tastes like coffee.
Does it just taste like the frosted coffee?
With caramel.
With caramel.
Maybe some cream. It's pretty delicious. Now I'm gonna comment on your video and I'm gonna say, at 1 minute 47 seconds, that was a scripted line.
well, you said it naturally, but I didn't get it.
Oh, can't just take my drink, sure. Don't want that anyway. 1 and 1, you should have ordered your own. Typical female. Give it up.
It's actually really good. It's super creamy.
That's right, it is.
It's our last top meal, Brandon.
We might not even lose power, Morgan.
It's a Hurricane 5.
Off the coast.
Yeah, it's off the coast though, but you never know. All of my awesome 43 subscribers. Hope you're all having a fabulous day. If you're seeing this, then you know that I survived Hurricane Dorian and that I was able to edit an entire video afterwards. Brandon and I are enjoying our last moments of sunshine before...
It's not sunny.
Okay, it's not sunny, but our last moments of the outdoors before we are destroyed by a hurricane. What is a Category 5 hurricane? Oh, it's down to a 4 now, so a little better, but still kind of scary. Brandon is brushing Maddie so that when we take her to my grandparents' house, she doesn't shed over everyone. We went to Chick-fil-A today, had our last hot meals until further notice.
You wouldn't be able to complete any full sentences.
No, I don't know how to talk. What else did we do today? That was it, right?
Packed a little bit.
Packed.
Unplugged some stuff.
Unplugged some things. We're going to my grandparents' house and we're about to head over once we get all ready to go. Okay. Excuse the horrible lighting. We have shutters all around every single window, so it's really dark in my house. But no, also these lights are not great. Gonna make some ramen noodles. I'm gonna let the eggs cook for a few minutes because I don't like when they're runny. Brandon doesn't mind. I'm actually gonna break the yolk of one of them and then leave the other one unbroken. The one that isn't broken will be Brandon's. And we let it boil. While the noodles are cooking with the eggs for 3 minutes, I'm going to heat up some peas. Looking nice and cooked. So I'm gonna take them out. Alright, might not look super delicious, but I think it'll be pretty good. There. Put peas in it.
Feed in my ramen?
I feed in your ramen, yeah. Chick-fil-A was not our our last hot meal. And honestly, we'll probably have another one tonight if you at my grandparents.
Yeah.
Right, so we got the car pretty much completely packed. Got a bunch of food, just some pantry stuff. My clothes, we have like 5 throw blankets, some things to paint, got some games, Maddie's stuff, and in the front seat, muffins. Okay, just a couple more things that we have to grab, and then we will head to my grandparents.
Panting Queen!
Would you say Pantene Queen?
Panting.
Oh, panting.
She's panting. And Maddie.
Don't worry guys, we are still in the neighborhood, or else Maddie doesn't normally sit here. Hello babies! Oh. Hi Leia. Hi.
Back to my channel. No.
She's a YouTuber. If you drop it,
Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ethan, my bro Hams,
put that down there.
my cousin. Okay, I'm gonna end it from there.
Are you recording?
This is my cousin.
Yeah, it is. This is my cousin.
So, getting ready for the hurricane.
Get to the door, it's locked. And so the manager goes, Kylie, it's drive-through only, and it's pouring down on us. So in the pouring rain, we have to do the walk of shame into our car.
Papa, delicious food. Right at your door.
You just have like a plain potato on your plate. We got bean salad, is what it's called.
Bean salad.
Bean salad, bean
Yummy,
soup.
yummy.
Wait, Uncle Eddie, what did you actually call this?
It's Farmer's Caviar.
Farmer's caviar.
Yes.
Okay, it's not. Okay, this family likes the peace sign a little too much. I think in every single clip I've had someone throw me a few peace signs. Oh, we got something new.
The cool kids do.
Brandon. Okay, so we got to my grandparents' house. I think it was around 6 o'clock. Then we had dinner, hung out for a little bit, and now it is 9:45. Haven't really filmed that. We've just been sitting, chatting. I started editing this video a little so I could get ahead of myself. I don't think I'm gonna film much tonight because the winds aren't really supposed to be picking up until late tonight, so like 4 a.m. probably. So I think when I wake up in the morning, I'll go outside, show you what it's looking like, and we'll see how bad it is in the morning. It is actually getting better, or I think farther away from us, so it's not supposed to directly hit us anymore, which is good. One plus side of it going slowly is that I will be able to film it during the day if it's still gonna do what it was saying it's gonna do, instead of being in the middle of the night where can't see anything. Hopefully we get some good footage. I will probably say good night to all of you. I will see you in the morning. Yes, sweet dreams. I'll see you in several hours. You'll see me in about half a second. Good morning, everyone. It's gonna be a little noisy because I'm just sitting outside. It's very noisy inside. Everyone's doing different things. But I'm just gonna make this video a little bit of a story time video because this morning I just filmed a bunch of extremely random stuff. I feel like I say that in every video. I gotta get better at explaining things while I'm filming them. I don't really think about it at the time. Now I'm going to explain to you what you're about to watch. So this morning I woke up around 6:50. I think I was just ready to see what was happening throughout the night. So I got up, went outside with Hansel. We sat out here for about 5 to 10 minutes just chilling. Good morning, Hanny. And then Hansel got bored, so he wanted to go inside. Then everyone kind of woke up then around 7-ish, 7:15. My grandpa made some coffee, so I made myself a cup.
This is from, needs more sugar.
Pasta?
I need a.
And then everyone started making breakfast, so I helped my grandma put some bacon on the pan.
And Morgan on that. And we were like, oh, we're gonna be boring.
Other channel.
She and my aunt, I think, made everything else. We had grits, eggs, toast, and bacon. I think that was it. So we all ate breakfast. It was nice. And then we kind of just chilled out for a few hours from probably 8 until, what time is it now? It's 12:25 now, so it's no longer the morning. We have kind of just been watching TV and waiting to see if anything's gonna happen. I know it's still really affecting the Bahamas. We are praying for them. Sorry if at the beginning of this video I made it seem kind of like a joke, like, oh, this is our last hot meal. And I know hurricanes are not a joke. Last night after dinner, we all hung out again, and then I went into the room I was sleeping in and played with Hansel a little bit. Catherine, you want to come sit in the back? Okay. Hansel found a styrofoam plate and decided to shred it to pieces, and I thought it was hilarious, and I just let him because he had nothing else to do. He was just as bored as we were inside. Get it, Hansel. Get it.
No, I'm sleeping here. Hansel.
Kylie, he has too much energy to not let him do that. Get it, bud. Good boy.
I find styrofoam as I'm trying to sleep.
Good boy. You got the plate. Good job. He's got some on his mouth. Good boy. Say please. Okay. Okay, sorry. Get it. Oh, you want me to throw it? This doesn't go very far, Hansel. Well, as you can see, Hurricane Dorian has not yet arrived. We got a little bit of wind and a little bit of rain, but nothing has actually happened to us. Everything is exactly how we left it last night, which is good for us. Unfortunately, the Bahamas have been in the hurricane for about 2 days, I think, right? Like 2 days, yeah. So make sure that even though we haven't been hit at all, make sure you keep praying for everyone in the Bahamas, because everything they have is destroyed. I'm wearing my Not Today Satan shirt because I don't want Satan to take anything that I have, and I think it's working because Dorian is fizzling away from us, I think. A lot of people are pretty upset that Dorian did not hurt us, my cousin included. Now, to those people, I slightly understand, because I thought it would make for an awesome video, and now my video is pretty boring, so thank you for watching if you have, but you gotta understand, we prayed for, we prayed that Dorian would not hurt our little beach town, is what everyone posts on social media, and then it doesn't, and then we get upset. So outside people, Catherine. Yeah, I do think it would be cool to have some nice footage of things flying around outside, but if you think about it, God's just doing what we asked him to do, and that's to protect us. Keep the Bahamas in your prayers, everyone. Don't return your food. If you don't want your food, if you don't want all the extra water, donate it to someone. Don't return it because they most likely have to throw it away. Just give it to someone who needs it or will use it.
It's only a cat too.
Yeah, it's only a category 2. I will put some pictures in to show kind of the progression that it's made throughout the day, like yesterday through the night. So I'll put those in right here. Or before this, I don't know.
Look, it's getting windy.
It's getting windy. Did you know that Dorian was a guy's name?
I guess maybe.
Yeah. Apparently,
For the longest time,
I
it
thought
was a
Dorian
girl.
was a woman.
I did too.
We came out to the beach, everyone. Just in case you couldn't tell, we're at the beach now. It's pretty gnarly, actually. Wow. My feet are soaked. We got the Weather Channel down there. It's from CNN. We got the news right here. This is crazy, people.
Yeah, look at those waves.
They're ginormous! Ooh. The ground is falling. There's wood in the water.
Parts of the boats and everything else
Yeah.
is washed up on our beaches.
Gonna be a lot of debris on the beach. Wow. Never seen anything like this. I know, yeah, I saw that.
This isn't even that bad.
I know, it's not.
The rain's coming down for you.
Gotta go.
I'll sit in park. Okay.
Guys, I'm seeing Tevin Wooten in the flesh.
What?
That's his name, right?
What?
Yeah. Tevin Wooten is here in Vero Beach. Huh? I could go interview him.
Yes, sir.
So, Tevin Wooten, what's it like staying in Vero this past couple days? I don't know where Brandon went. Hopefully he's okay. Tevin Wooten right there behind the police. Everyone. You might have seen him on the news. CNN is about to go live. He's getting ready. Do you know when he's gonna start? I think he's online because he's nodding. He's listening to whatever they're saying. And he's agreeing. He says, yeah, actually we are in Vero, and as you can see, it is a little windy. There is a slight breeze, everyone, so you might want to stay off of the beach. I'm just guessing. Look at him. He is pointing right at Vero. I don't know if I'm on the news or not, but that would be cool. If you see me on the news, comment down below and say that you saw me on CNN. Hey, look at me! Subscribe! I was on the news! Everyone, go watch CNN. Oh wait, it's live. Yeah, it's live. Okay, by the time you see this, I will already have been really famous. Man, I pulled my hair up right before that. My hair was probably like... Guys, catch me on CNN.
I didn't think we were gonna go to South Beach.
I know, I can't believe we almost went to South Beach and missed our opportunities of being famous.
Yeah.
What'd you think, Ethan? Oh, there was another peace sign.
It was fun. Scary.
It was scary.
It was not. It
Well.
was fun.
I think that is what just made the
We're gonna
vlog.
be famous. We're gonna be famous now.
Yeah. People are gonna say, weren't you the family
On CNN.
on CNN during Hurricane Dorian? And we'll say,
yeah.
say, guys, no pictures, please.
We're not that famous.
Okay, toodles. Hey, Willie.
Hey guys.
Willie, I have a YouTube channel.
Hey. You know, I'm just out here. You know, the hurricane's about to hit, but who cares? Look at your chicken.